I'll now move on to describing advanced new D00 control. The new D00 controller was released in 2020. This provides a global standard user interface, and received the IF Design Award 2021, one of several outstanding global design awards. A touch panel is standard, and can be operated with bare hands or wearing gloves. Intuitive operation, just like using your smartphone, is possible. The screen size is larger so that you can gain sufficient information at a single glance. I'll now describe the D00 controller in detail. A new home screen has been created for the D00 controller. Previously, you had to open one screen to check the cycle time, and open another to check the volume of machined workpieces. On the new home screen, you can check the information you need at a single glance. The information needed at the worksite is displayed. For example, the cycle time to enable you to visually understand the remaining machining time, workpiece counter, and remaining tool life. Shortcut keys are provided to make on-site operation easier. As conventional screens are still available, you can change to these if you prefer. The main feature of the D00 controller is the support apps. Relevant functions are grouped and assigned to each app, so you can use Brother's controller just like a smartphone. For example, touching, adjust machining parameter. Displays options to improve the machining surface or items to reduce the cycle time. You can easily perform cycle time reduction setting by simply following the instructions on the screen. Anybody can readily use Brother's controller. In addition to this, there are apps that you can check daily or weekly production results or operating results, or you can check power consumption. Using these apps helps improve your production sites. The Recovery Support app is also very handy. For example, if power is interrupted during tapping or the machine stops during magazine turn due to air interruption, use this app. You can recover the machine by yourself by simply following the instructions on the screen. You don't have to call the manufacturer's service engineer. Many convenient functions have been added. Override operation during tapping is now possible, which was not possible in the past. Up to 20 of the latest cycle time logs can be saved. Cycle time logs can also be saved for each tool. We're sure these features will help improve the customer's worksites. Other functions include accessing manuals, accessories such as a notepad and calculator, and a load monitor that predicts overload during machining. So many functions have been added. I can't fully describe all of these here, so please visit the Brother showroom to view and touch the machine. The M200Xd1 is equipped with a tilting rotary table. Support functions to create two-axis tilting rotary table programs have been prepared, such as rotary fixture offset and feature coordinates setting. Parameters for the rotation center on the feature coordinates system can be read and written using the NC program. This automatically corrects the center of the rotary axis on the tilting rotary table. Hardware specifications have improved for the D00 controller. Block processing speed has improved fourfold. The number of look-ahead blocks has greatly increased from the previous model. As a result of these improvements, the machine fully demonstrates its capabilities, particularly in three-dimensional machining. There are reports that when the same program was run, the cycle time was reduced by 20% or more on a machine with the D00, compared to a machine with the former controller. For customers wanting to reduce the cycle time of three-dimensional machining, please try the Speedio. In addition, the memory capacity, 0 points that can be set on workpiece coordinates, and tool data capacity have been increased. So, the system can respond to the increase in program capacity due to CAM or others. Network functionality has been strengthened. Industrial networks Ethernet, IP and Profinet are now supported in addition to the conventional CC-Link, DeviceNet, and Profibus DP. This is prepared for automation trends in the future to make connections easier. OPC-UA is now spreading as an industrial protocol. This is also supported. As for IoT, the Internet of Things, the Speedio can be directly connected to operating monitor software made by another manufacturer via OPC-UA.